In this video, we'll show you how to make and receive phone calls using the Yubo eServices with navigation system and the steering wheel controls. Let's get started. The easiest way to access the phone screen is to press the phone button on the steering wheel. You can also press the phone button on the home page or on all menus. The phone screen will default to your recent call history. You can also access contacts and favorites across the top. And you can list dialed, received, and missed calls using the buttons at the bottom of the screen. The menu button gives you the option to download the contacts and a shortcut to adjust Bluetooth settings. To place a call by dialing a number, press the Dial button and use the number pad to enter phone number. To make a call using your contacts, press the Contacts button. You can scroll up or down and scroll quickly through the list using the right column. Select the contact you'd like to call and press the Call button on the touchscreen or the steering wheel. You can also search the contacts by name or number, and again, press the contact name to make the call. To place a call to a number listed as a recent call, press the Call History button on the touchscreen. By default, the system displays recent calls dialed. You can also list recent calls received and missed by pressing the Dialed, Received, or Missed buttons. When a call comes in, a window appears on the screen, and any audio you're listening to on the system is temporarily muted. The incoming call window displays the caller's name, if it appears in your contacts, as well as the caller's number, unless the number is private or restricted. To receive the phone call, you must use either the touchscreen or the buttons on the steering wheel. You can't receive a call via voice command. And keep in mind, the system will only recognize calls from mobile phones or hands-free devices that have been paired to the system, within range, and turned on. There are a few ways to accept the call. You can press the Accept button on the touch screen, or you can press the Receive Call button on the steering wheel. There are 3 ways to reject the call. You can press the Reject button on the touch screen, or you can press End Call on the steering wheel, or you can reject the call on the smartphone. If you receive a call that you don't want your passengers to hear, you can choose to take the call privately on your phone by pressing the Use Private button on the touchscreen. You can switch the call back to hands-free mode at any time using the hands-free button on your touchscreen. If your phone supports call waiting, you can take a second call using the controls we just discussed, which automatically puts the first call on hold. You can alternate between the 2 calls as needed by pressing the Switch button on the touchscreen. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the Quick Start Guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.